Hello friends and welcome back to our channel K2N Family. Today we are going to show you a famous dish from Goa which is called as beef rolan, and to prepare that let's go and start it. So to start off with, to prepare the masala paste we will be requiring 10 Kashmiri red chilies, 1.5 inch of ginger, 10 garlic cloves, 10 to 12 cloves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, half teaspoon of peppercorn, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and finally we use 4 tablespoons of vinegar. So now let's go and blend it to a very smooth paste. So our masala is ready. This is the result once you ground it. So friends, I've got 1 kg of meat over here cut already into fine steaks. This is how thin it has to be. And now what I'll do is I'm just going to cut the edges, which is going to keep me an extra portion on the side. Make these edges go very square. And since we need to marinate this as well, so I prefer to marinate it with the salt before and then keep it aside. So every single piece of steak will be marinated. And this I will be doing with every single steak that I have. Now let's marinate the meat with the masala that we have prepared. Now let's marinate this very well. Make sure that every corner of the meat is well marinated. So this is ready now. Now I'm going to leave this aside to get well marinated for at least 60 minutes. So friends, our meat is completely marinated now. As you see, this whole steak is completely well marinated. I'm going to cut into half. Now we will use 1 potato, a carrot, a French bean. Many people use pork belly and chorizo. This is the pork belly what I'm using, and I'm going to use chorizo as well, Goan sausages. If you don't have Goan sausages, you can use Spanish chorizos. So friends, now we have to roll this meat. So I'm going to put the top part over here. And with the help of a thumb, I'm going to try to push it in and very gently roll it over here. Now with the help of a thread, I'm going to seal this. Usually most of them, they prefer to do with the toothpick as well. But I prefer to do with the thread because it does not impart anything of this when it's getting cooked. So this is how we are going to prepare them. So in a pan, let's take 4 tablespoons of oil. Now here I'll add finely chopped 2 onions. Let's stir fry it for a minute. Now I add 1 finely chopped tomato. So let's saute this for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to keep all our rolans here. Here I've got at least 12 rolans made out of 1 kg of meat. So depends now how many guests you have and how many family members you are together, you can prepare. We are just family of 2, but this I'll have to share definitely. Now we will be frying this all the sides for at least another 3 to 4 minutes. We are not adding any water at this point of time because the meat is going to release its water. So just wait and watch now what we are going to do. So now I'm going to cover this with a lid and cook it for another 20 minutes. I'm not going to add any water because the meat is going to release the water by itself. So let's wait and watch for now. So now it's been 20 minutes. I'm going to roll this back again. So in here I'm going to use little bit of water from the stock that we had prepared. So I'm going to add 2 homemade vegetable stock cubes. These stock cubes I had prepared. To find the recipe of this, I'll be sharing it in the description. And a little bit salt for taste. So now let's cook for another 15 minutes on a medium flame. So friends, our beef rollans are ready. If you're looking for a gravy to be thicker, you can cook it for extra more minutes on a low flame and the gravy can be thicker after. So now let's serve this, and before you serve them, make sure you cut off the threads and you serve it on the plate. So friends, if you've liked my recipe, please show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Until then, God bless you all, and my final word to say, adios.